Today we have an iPhone XR. The phone ear speaker is not working properly.
Very bad quality, but downside is normal.
We will go deep dive after the intro. Disassembly of the phone display panel. Now removing the ear speaker from the front camera module. Installing new ear speakers. After the phone assembly, check the phone. The speaker is operating normally. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you want to share your opinion, comment in the comment section.